Your thoughts shape your direction. Your beliefs influence your reality. And the power to transform your life has always existed within you.
I spent years searching outside for strength I already held inside, waiting for the world to change before believing I could rise. Then quietly the truth appeared, beyond confusion, beyond fear. The mind becomes the architect of every dream pursued next. The strongest people understand the plan and never wake, embrace formation. The power is within you now. Believe it deeply somehow. No limitation can control a focused, confident, hopeful soul. With disciplined thought guiding the climb and resilience through changing times. Every vision, every dream can become reality. I learned belief creates momentum, helping hidden strength awaken. Because fear dissolves away when confidence begins to stay. Every challenge, strength, and trust in the power living within us. And every focused, hopeful mind, leave doubt behind. The future changes through belief, through persistence beyond defeat. And every person choose their fate. The power is within you now. Believe it deeply somehow. No limitation can control a focused, confident, hopeful soul. With disciplined thought guiding the climb and resilience through changing times. Every vision, every dream can become reality. See the future in your mind before the world can recognize. Within the thoughts held deep within, no obstacle remains too strong. And every spirit choosing growth can become unstoppable. Now the power awakens fully with fearless purpose surrounding me. No fear can cloud my inner sight. I move forward through confident light. With resilience, faith, and vision combined, I leave limitation behind. And every challenge helps me prove the power to rise was always within me too. Think clearly, believe boldly, and command your future intentionally.